Hey, beautiful people. It's been long, more than 6 months. Ngicine kwenye content, ngicine shooter, podcast. It's been long. Uba consistent to some of the things lesithendayo kakhulu. It's really tough if you unganayo capital, unganayo support to many people. Abanye abantu bakubona uma usaqala vele they take you for granted. So namhlanje it's Monday, it's the Black Queen. On Saturday, ngibone iclip the person next to me bekadansa emgwaqeni, so ngathi hayi man, this is the energy that I want, yabo. This is the energy that I want. Mangibuya back like le podcast let me interview I don't know what can I say, lady whatsoever.
No, I'm a lady.
Yeah, lady. Oh, hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
No, I'm so happy ukuba nawe today. Ngikhuluma nawe on Saturday ngivela inbox. Like, okay, inbox ngithi hi lapha kuwe nje. What first thing comes in your mind before uqala introduce ukuthi ngibani? What first thing that comes in your mind?
Okay, the thing is going down.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, I need to speak to the paragraph. It's been a while since I've been to the paragraph and so on.
Yeah, but I just say hi first and did I say hi and a paragraph? Oh, okay.
We don't get it.
Oh yeah, because why ngibe ngene straight in the bed ukuthi I'm having a podcast and ngicela ukuvite, because if you say hi to people like you, like people say, oh, okay, yeah, but
the paragraph.
yeah,
Okay,
just something, yeah.
Okay, better than something.
Yeah.
I think it's a good change.
Yeah, maybe you can raise your voice a little bit because it's Black Queen. It's Monday today, Monday session. It's like Black Queen lifestyle as usual. Sometimes we used to be here, sometimes we got try. So yeah, now maybe you can introduce yourself as you said using a little paragraph, and you say that's a nice opportunity to be here with me. That's the reason you say no. Let me grab this opportunity and come.
Well, I just go by the name of Paul Amogwena. I'm 18 years of age. Wait, 18?
Yeah.
No. I'm 19. Yeah.
Oh, you're 19? Oh, it's also cool.
On social,
yeah. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I mean, the video I thought you staying like 3 because when we shoot I west. Yeah, jive. Yeah. I don't remember the song that you were dancing to. So much. Oh, okay, this is the vibe I want. I'm cool, but you're alone, dancing alone. So what's your street name?
Street name?
Oh, you don't have a street name?
I don't.
Come on. No, you need to find one.
Why should I have a street name if I may ask?
No, maybe sometimes street names see when they will be popular more than your name, your real name sometimes.
Oh, when I say.
Aren't you thinking something like that?
I once had a street name.
Oh, what's that?
Like
oh, wait time.
Yeah.
Okay.
The time I was a prank, Mary.
You're a prank?
I was a prank.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so what happened about the prank thing?
No, the transition.
Oh, okay.
I had a challenge about
No.
When I was a prank.
No.
And then boom. I know.
And yeah, but I mean, there's some of the things like follow, I don't know why. But there are some of the things that I don't pay too much attention on them.
Oh.
Yeah, that's me sometimes, yeah. You understand? But sometimes in a but there are some things that my editing.
Well, but I once had a street name.
Yeah.
And the name Pretty Prince.
No, Pretty Prince. Oh,
because,
okay.
It sounds like this most of the time.
Rap.
So, yeah.
Rap.
Like, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, being obsessed about
okay.
female artists.
Oh,
Here's
okay.
anything Pretty Prince
Oh.
because believe I know something wrong.
Oh, okay.
Everything here understand.
Yeah.
I need to find out if you call it a Pretty Prince to me.
Oh,
You understand?
yeah.
So that's why I changed.
Oh, it's a pretty
No, I was thinking.
So kwakwatisa nje kusivele likhona sele exist.
Sela exist alcohol and lo muntu udumile.
Oh.
So I decided to change
to your original name.
To my original name.
Oh, okay. Sorry for that.
No, it's fine. why vele shintsha amagama vele shame lobunye
Oh no, you know, most vele sometimes if like we a content creator, most of them, some of them they might even some magama ngasi abo straight, and they are basebelele, you understand? Yeah, because mpho kana yabona nale in.
abangatibo
Oh sebe ne. Abo sathi sile mpho wa modimo, yabo. Sathi lo. So we find another mpho. Okay, take us back. Who's Mpho?
Mpho Mudolai.
Yeah.
Mpho sasa bantu labathanda yena.
Yeah.
And when I don't want to lie, I don't want to say much.
Yeah.
I'm going to describe ukuthi umuntu onjani because lomunye umuntu usalona. Describe asoka nithini semanje. So mina I won't say much. Mina I'm that girl lokuya na umuntu ofuna naye.
Yes.
And I only stay true to myself.
Yes.
Kumloko nje. Enjoy impilo,
Ne.
vibes and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. You say before you came here you were busy with like makeup and everything, and they disappointed. Who's that person disappointed? No, not Chelsea. Why are you disappointed us? Because you wanna something else.
No, at first when I look at why shouldn't like I put my makeup on?
Yeah.
I mean, because I need makeup from this room.
Yeah.
Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
sharp shade.
Yeah.
Because skin tan, you understand?
Yes.
So I shouldn't like put makeup look cool. And then I kinda. And then I realized I love what you realize because when you cute, occupied.
Oh, today.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were waiting for the person, and that person never showed up.
Yes, it's not like if I was paying like money.
Oh, okay, it's for free.
I need to find out this over.
Oh,
So then I need
okay,
mine.
okay. I know. Sorry to that person.
No, it's
sorry to
fine.
you.
No, sorry to myself.
Yeah. So, okay. Okay. Today's I'm getting people was about to in my salon.
Remember,
Yo, I just want money man. It's a personal man. We don't even having a cold drink.
15 man.
Ne, you want working?
No, this is very hard. You don't have to feel like mad. Okay,
Ne.
imagine I should say back on. But feel like oh, I'm big. I know. When I get 15, I'm big. You don't have 15, start to be mad.
15 to 15 very tough. Very so very
15.
very.
15, bathenga kudla. 25, bathenga tshwala. Month end.
Yeah.
Sorry. Month end.
Ziyakhala.
Ziyakhala. Lapho baze bangabuki nokuthi imindeni yabo ishaya.
Ne, labo man.
So
You born raised like Nyamazana.
yeah.
Take us back from your childhood, khula nabani ekhaya, siblings and everything like that.
Well, ngasuka bengihlala 2.
Oh, like two. Okay.
Ngisasemncane.
Okay.
So ngasuka la 2 na ngahlala e6 la ngihlala khona.
So itu uhlala kabani kagogo?
Because I was young by that time.
Yeah.
But mabasho la ngihlala nabendlini bathi khulena gogo nje.
Oh, okay.
Gogo bami.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Sekusuka kwami e2 sekuba la e6.
Yeah.
Ngina 2 years old.
Yeah.
Ngikhula la eWayini, ngikhula la e6 ngikhula na mama, ngikhula na sisa mzali firstborn.
Okay.
Then mshana wami, I have a niece anyway.
Oh, okay.
Mshana.
Okay. Mfana batani?
5.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And ngikhula na not to mention nabanye bani.
Oh, okay.
Nagogo wami, namkhulu wami.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ngikhula nabantwana.
Nah. Where's your dad? Never. Angivanga ukumenshina baba ukuthi baba.
Well, he passed away
Oh.
in 2018, yeah,
Oh,
2008.
okay. So,
yeah.
ngehla naye.
Besihlala naye, but you know,
Family thing. Okay. Yeah.
besihlala naye, but
Yeah.
no.
Okay. No, ngiyabona. Primary school. Take us back to primary school.
Primary school.
Yeah.
Mina ngena e-primary ngifunda endleleni.
Oh la. Okay.
Ngena grade 1 ngase ngaphuma.
Oh okay. Secondary.
Because Central High School. Oh, bathroom.
Kwenzekalani Central ngoba Central basabadlali niyafeyila.
Central.
Who was your principal swing?
Swanky Nakho.
Oh okay.
Was Swanky. Mina ngena naswiki.
Yeah.
Sifana kuphuma.
Oh wena ngene sonke sikathi uphuma ne?
Yeah.
So ngimusuna 3 years aphumile.
Yeah. I think ngena grade. Grade 1. It is grade 11.
Just because I don't know the other principal after
Thanks to you, but
principal swing. Because we the one this corner last was ngeta lenza ngiyana lemuva lama parking lesi sifama lapha. But besifamela nini because masamba thina niyavuna nini. So I will say I say again. Oh okay. So le sexuality yakho ivumbuka kuphi?
Sexuality yami ivumbukaphi? Mina ngiqala ngisoka.
Utala usoka?
So.
Ne.
Yeah, laba ngaphi kubayani.
Oh okay. Because ma 2000 ngathi azange khona kuyifihla ngaleyo ndlela that ma 90s ayafihla.
Yo. 90s. Even ma 2000
khona la fihla
mara ma 2000 abana lokuthi they learn and they baba my inspirations. Oh, that's my role model.
Oh.
Lo ngifisa kuba ngona.
No.
That's how they come out.
Oh.
But I
when you could vele uso because you grown up for a family man but that's maybe it's one of the reasons.
No, I don't literally think so. Very
ngisho lokufihla lokuthi lokufihla ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhulela nabo sesendlini
yeah lokho futhi shenjene emakhazini ebinari now sikhula vele igcule amantombazane blind vele bomalume bafile bona ngani kwabo faka konke so bathi decide kuba nentombi yabantwana
yeah
so ngibonga naloko nje ngiyalo ukuthi ngithatha le chance ukuthi ngiboke onke ama-topics ami la ukuthi atale on my behalf yabo because nesidingo sokuthi ngibe nabantu batala bebe batukula bo esigcwele ekhaya so lokho ngenanga comfortable ukuthi vele bengidlala nawo.
So you never even a single day with nami net lay one
angikaze share yathi
awukazi ufisa nalo yi-one ukuthi ube nemntwana nje
angikaze
so you adopt
okay,
or you gonna take one of your siblings
I can't also vele bo mina funa ngizini ukuthi ngibezwayo fanjani ukuthi ngikhona ukwenza okay that's how
100 something thousand
yes kude lenye indlela phela kwenteka njani nje
ne
njani.
So in primary Tendeleni you were behaving funny like and it was so
sure
you were by abantwana
yeah bekuthusa but those bangani back then kwanabo banga understand ukuthi benza in such a way because they on job
yeah
nethi hamba ngeflow just because my energy is different
energy
sometimes usidlala amadodana emaklasini ngizisa ngempaphe ngisese ngimaki and all vele ngicela kuba ngimaki if ngingayimaba ngisese ngikhaya
yeah angabona bengade
but no ufuna ube ngibabe nganomfana ukuthi wangihlangile ngangijwayele kahle angeke ngize ngibe baba ngifuni
abasi ngimurana ngiyaze yeah
I mean angishayani yani anginako lo
awunako lokho ne
ngishayani
but you don't tolerate nonsense. No one tolerates nonsense. Like so, let's see in Mara la school in primary schools like, and then when
you in primary school belong to Pinga to share because being being top
yeah
and very long time the go understand.
Those guys are saying bullying
I bully.
Empurwini.
Oh, empurwini. Yeah, phela as a kid vele nawo ngicobelele vele. Ayasimoshekile. So mabuka staff phone. But in primary nje vele shem
you're good.
I was the best.
Yeah.
Kid.
So you nasesikoleni you mix yourself with girls.
Yeah, lokho kuthi nje konke komemba ngathi hey ngiyacula. Kuba kuningi kuba perfect ku actor kunama debates and what so on yo
mix veg utholakala ngenza anyanisi
apha imali omnandi until konke lokho lebengikwenza disappear, like it just vanished.
In primary? Or in
No,
secondary?
nothing in secondary because I couldn't like continue.
Why?
I couldn't proceed with acting,
Why?
my debates, because
Oh, bingasafani.
so I had to leave everything. I mean, after acting, after debating,
Yeah.
after good, after the
Oh, okay.
same thing in secondary now.
Bunya.
I'm not gonna play soccer, netball now. So that is why I come to
Pasal dah ubekele
no,
netball.
so.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Say secondary is different than primary because secondary, you know, there are bullies.
No, I mean I was bullied. Grade one.
Okay.
Grade one. I was bullied.
Okay. Yeah, they have value in your life.
Yeah, I mean I was bullied. Grade one. I think about another so I showed.
RIP to
And I've been bullied also. Grade five. Not nje guy lengenza ngimention ngegama phansi. Very popular.
Oh, very popular. Hey, guy, hey.
Ngithanda i-ski.
Ugulisha yini manje?
Angigulisha ngitshela ukuthi ngine. Thathile lebengene lapha lekhaya.
Bekasatsa
Bekasithatha. Can you imagine?
guy.
And I'm trying to kabuyelela ubani.
Mara nyale nje manhlangano abasomthetho wena. Angazi
Khuluma.
nhlangano very mabive.
Asikhuluma ngingadi ukuthi okay mina
On your behalf.
mina vele nje angeke nokufuna kakhulu.
Axolise.
Abuye back him and mina ukuthi mina ngidinga naye no. Kodwa ngoba angeke ngize ngibe sharp naye, angeke ngize ngidingele
Yeah.
ngoba ngisehle ukuthi bangindayo.
Oh.
And
Yeah,
indlela
when you want hlala kwena.
Yo. Sana.
Yeah. Guy. Uthi apology. Uthi apology.
Nafika read.
Yeah, no, very apology very phone ulona uyikhiphe ngoba you willingly so very phone
Mina
ikhiphe
ngihamba
nyaka.
ngemagarage kubanga.
Ne.
Ngeke ngikwende lo. Njengoba nafika right.
Yeah, ne. So high school awuzange uthole ibhola.
High school angeke ngize ngithi lo ngabhuli. Yo high school hey lapho ngize ngafona lutho ukuthi ngiyakhona nokudimela.
Yeah.
I remember having a 5 ka grade 9.
Ayo vele usawu.
Yo dalo mnyentitha.
Mm.
Yes. Lomfana lona ngamshaya angifundisa ngomanga. Okay kona bekuyi 50-50 mara le 50 leyo 50-50 leyo ukuthi lo limele ngisibani. Bana kanimali
Yeah.
uthi nale prove.
Isukela. Thika sibheke
Isukela ekutheni guy i-class rep.
Okay.
Maka i-class rep ngabona vele kwasekuqaleni ukuthi aze abe i-class rep so it's because unibangani abaningi bangani bakhe la i-class.
Oh, bamfakele lo.
Kwasakhe vele siba ngayo yebo. And mina ngishaya amabhomu.
Oh.
And most of lama classmates abule ngifunda nawo by that time. I don't know ukuthi vele manje badana tongivotela obviously.
Yeah.
But some guys angeke bazi lokho nje. For the fact ukuthi bangibhora ngokuthi I'm gay.
Yeah.
So ngasho amavoyo honestly bano
Grade one lapho.
grade 9.
Oh, okay. Start seven.
Grade 9. 21, 2021.
Yeah.
2021.
After
yeah.
COVID.
After COVID.
Yeah.
Singeke masani sephulu.
Yeah.
Jail. Okay. Isukela ukuthi i-class rep ne.
Yeah.
And leso sikhathi kufanele esikoleni next day.
Yeah.
Akwende lutho. Ngangifisa mangifika eklasini mina ngitshela ukuthi la ngihlala khona ngitshele kunesitulo
Yeah.
because the classmates yami lokungona ngihlala naye
Yeah.
ngibekela unfortunately bekangeke
Oh, that day.
and ngibuka ukuthi okay fine into ngetikhwama tisharp tihleli esitulweni
Yeah.
and yena la khona khona lesitulo esilaceleni asinasikhwama mara uhlala nemuntu lo muntu akakafiki
Yeah. Uzinona
ngivele ngigrabhe lesitulo
Awukhulumi naye?
akekho futhi naseklasini ushiye isikhwama
Oh.
mina seklasini ngisasitulo ngisetafuleni lami ngihlala phansi
Nakabuya bamtshela.
makabuye bamtshela and bamtshela so sengiphumile kwanami
Yeah.
even myself ngiphumile cha mina mangifika yesterday ngithola isikhwama sami and
Phansi.
hayi phansi batulu
Oh, kwetafula.
where's the jail mangithi hlele Ngesitulo sibekela eceleni ubekele isikhwama sakhe. And I'm like, bruh, usesele ngesitulo. Futhi lesitulo sami.
Yeah.
It's okay, njengoba kusakho.
Yes.
Why ungahlali kulo? Uthi yathi isami semuntu. Ngithi ngoba ngibona lo muntu ukuthi akafiki.
Yeah.
First come, first serve.
Yeah.
Funa ngiphathe lesitulo, angeke nami ngifana nawe ngibhadale lesitulo.
Yes.
So it's
Siyalingana, yeah.
fana nokuthi siyafana. Uthangeke uzukwende lokho angikuthi uthathe lesitulo because of ngibekele umuntu and what. Ngithi no, mina lapho ngena kuwo.
Ubekele some other guy.
Ubekele umuntu.
Indombi.
Ayinto
Yeah,
ingane.
okay.
Wabona labangani lebe baphathi.
Oh, letitulo letincane.
Like
That's it.
bani labafika angeke vele government schools ukuthi bakanjani
Our government schools.
yeah government schools bana vele bashoda ngetitulo shem ngicela isapply yetitulo or njani atin like abantu
Sifaka amadlala. Uthi imali
Follow
yakho.
guys yanyo shem
Semakusuka?
okay fine
Siyasukuma le.
yeah mind you I'm taller than him tall way
Yeah, you pass on lesikhathi mina.
ubona lokuthi ngiba serious so yasukuma uyangiface ngithi mina lesitulo ngiyasithatha whether you like it or not uthana lesitulo awusithatha ngisathi ngithatha isitulo asukume ngemandla athatha lesitulo asibeke ampush and then bayamphusha ngimuthi Jude shukudla lapho sekungenela labangani bakhe
Misprit sophumile lapha sekunamphunamo. Nampo.
Hey, abaningi manje bayaza ngabe bathembe bangithembe ukuthi no mina ngakhona ukudimela.
Yeah.
Cause ngikhumbula kahle fight yami 2021 ngaze ngayophuma eCentral solo bangihlonile
From that day.
cause bengingabona ukuthi ish bangisaba abangisabi bangitshela emagama lamangibele like ish kwente kanjani mara ukuthi lento le stop because I don't like it
Yeah.
but vele kwamele ngithathe because funa ngi-accept because
Yeah.
njalo
Yeah.
abantu abaningi vele angeke-accept so hayisilwe sekulamla nebangani so ngijabulene no-piercing yami
Awu nje icicile liphume lapho.
leliqici laphuma lapho mara ngaphinde ngalibuyisela khiphele nose ring mfana and I'm like yes sis lapho bafana sebalamula kwasani
Siyableeda mos.
I'm like scratch this yena sekaphuma imokiya like on his nose
Babotishela lapho, babotishela.
bangekho
Namurana
cabanga
zanagcinwa.
nalapha esikoleni bekungekho bekangabona
Namurana zanagcinwa.
and azange sagcina kumbe lokhu ukuthi babona ukuthi akakhoni ukudumela
Sure.
sengikhala like balamula bangani
Balamula, yeah.
national
Hey guys, Mbo uyashaya.
angishaya
Hayi misprit. Mbo uyamura
mina
straight.
angishaya guys
From that day you never have a fight in your entire life.
I've never man ngikhumbule kahle sha ngikhumbula kahle yathini lamanye ama-fights lengasho ukuthi ngibe nawo mfana yebo nje ayinemuntu nje lokuthi nje umuntu
Yo man.
bafana manje ama-fights lengiba nawo la
Nebani bakho seneyakho.
Yeah.
Nibangani?
bafana bayahlupha shame
Bafana the boys.
bafana bayahlupha mina ngathi ukuthi yini inkinga.
So you have matriculated now. When 2 years back, you say so?
No, last year.
Oh, last year. So you know you take a gap year.
Kinda.
Kind of in his fast, guys.
Kinda.
There's no NS fast. There's no NS fast. Izifaka imali eningi, ifaka bozirola abaningi
Kinda.
abantwana ngenxa ukuthi le mali eningi. So what happened?
No,
Why you
it's
not
not
just
ukuthi ngicela gap year guys.
Why? Why?
Gap year.
What's happening?
Ngicela
Yabona
gap
ukuthi
year.
okay, what are you doing with your gap year?
Kunekho ezingibiza ngesinye isikole eMathafeni.
What are you doing?
Ngiyafunda, it's sort of like a part job. Umsebenzi engifuna kuyenza upcoming.
Oh, okay. Oh, for how many months?
8, 12. It's up to me.
Oh, but
Kuthi ngifuna kubhala ini.
oh, it's for free.
Yeah,
Ne-stipend.
free. Wena nedi nje unga-apply.
But there's a stipend.
Mm-mm.
I thought there's a stipend.
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Masitshela ukuthi yini kumbe kusa secret.
No, ngisapheka like yebo. Ngiyathanda mina surprise abantu bami.
Oh, okay, was surprised.
Angithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu.
Yeah, surprise you people. Yeah, very late. You know, very need to be secretive
I
until
don't
city
think too much.
Nah.
Some things are not meant to be told.
So, but next day you planning going back to school?
I'm not actually planning. Yeah.
Where? What you wanna do?
Mina kahle kahle to be honest with you yabo. Ngisaqala phansi.
Supplementing?
No, ngisaqala phansi.
As in how?
Like
Grade 12? As in grade 12?
phansi grade 12, yeah.
Awuphasanga kahle uba pass.
Angaphasanga kahle.
Inzaba kondekaleni what was distracting you?
Pressure.
What pressure? What pressure? Social media pressure?
No, phela yazini. Ungayithathi into seriously.
Ayithatha ngisireza.
Ayithatha.
Ngoba usigroove kakhulu. Ngibonile nayitolo
Man, wait, wow, le video yami nibonile lutho na mina ngibone nje emgcini take me back. Angikho
tosi mhlambe yona phela lamanye ama-video ku Facebook yona mhlambe wayiposta mhlambe 2 months back ivela again nyalo ngiyabona yeah because you are alone lapha there's someone but it was a 5 minutes video 5 seconds if I'm not mistaken yeah 5 seconds to 10 seconds yeah so lapho inboxela khona nithi pressure I saw you even yesterday hey abantu bashaya routine endumbeni Jiki was a Black Queen. You say Black Queen is disappointed yesterday. What happened to Black Queen, guys?
I mean, Black Queen, ngithanda njani kube iyathi nayo.
Ngiyithanda eh?
Kakhulu.
Why don't you talk to her today because you hear promoted something maybe I don't know.
Promoted EJ.
I don't know. Maybe promoted my event ngakhona something.
No, ukuthi angicabanga ukuthi Black Queen iyangirealize but
yeah, but ngani wena if wena phela umuntu ufuna bakurealize nawe ngoba uyabuka wena isikhathi ya ngani usengafika le level ufuna ukuthi bakurecognize wena from a distance yabona hayi masingaba
I'm on a mission.
yeah you katsongo you go in there nah okay so what was pressurizing you ukuthi ugcina ungaphasanga kahle
I'm not gonna say like friends, I'm not gonna say anything about for example but funda to school so to environment so behavior even so
yeah
sorry behavior even so
yeah
don't do the lago to so even like the friends you have but when you start to do so if I know which back when usukufuna lokwe
yeah nam exactly
yes usukufuna because the muntu kuya nesibani
there's no one
yeah wena nyelo doja wena nyelo ungayi esikoleni unga nje bakhali ipilodom kuya after school ufunda no
ne
so kwavele sorry
lali tanje kuna ntibambe leti
shooting to be quite honest
yeah
ngena kwami
high school
bese kukuningi engikubo
then yakhona kushare kadona ne
well labanye bayathi
yeah
so as much as ngisho ukuthi mina I got bullied in the standard 1 grade 1 I mean to say I was bullied and I've been bullied also by grade 5 and also hey winning
if you don't want to share it it's fine
hey winning
secretive is fine
hey winning
yeah
so imagine like the trauma and everything yeah ngaba sharp and ngingatitshela ukuthi nomuntu ba right ngani
awusengabe mhlambe kani lento lena beyinganceda lomunye mhlambe lo we same situation efana neyakho acabanga ukuthi nayo idlulile kwekani so sabuya back samkhipha back
kanjani
then yeah
because it's about the span
yeah when we're not the same
because good the umuntu ongifika islo okay lo fana nami ngisho kangana udlule kusimo lesifo
yeah
lesifana nami and even nomuntu ukuthi angithi share inkinga zami nemuntu ngathi kahle ukuthi kahle
but lo muntu mhlambe mina ngile ngadlula wathi don't know me.
That's when you tell them you were so thinking like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Immediately now ngishela lokho sengisho ukuthi nami kuso and le moment leyo la expressa khona sithelana nawe ngilapho kahle kahle abeyangeke zamana angishele into shuthi ukubone something ngibona ngivulela siba ngishela.
So let's talk about asiyenze ibe interesting.
Cool.
Yeah, so isiyenze ibe interesting. I'm ready. What are the questions you're gonna ask me about? Let me know. So kids, I would say, I don't mind anything. I'm cool. I want to fire in my foot. But she's really ready. Let's talk about dating. Dating. Let's talk about dating. When your first time starting to date. And what happened? Mbalo some nomunye la.
Yo.
Yeah, if you really recall that.
Intellectual
So what I mean?
No, ngizama rewind.
Okay.
Intellectual 2020.
Oh, Jolly COVID. You're bored endlini what?
2020 ngena grade 8 and this guy of village.
This guy. Okay,
Imagine.
continue.
Imagine.
Hey, ufuna shy. Ufuna suwe.
No,
Okay.
popular like Bamadi. Okay.
Oh, it's also gay. Oh,
This guy from Kamakuku. Uyahlala naselikazi.
Beyonce.
No, it's not Beyonce.
Why you have Beyonce? Okay.
Pride.
It's Pride. Yeah, look like Kamakuku.
She's trans.
Yeah, ngathi bekase
Trans.
Yeah, ngathi bekafunza standing. If I'm not mistaken.
Ngimbuza igama lakhe.
I don't remember.
No, angicabanga ukuthi sikhuluma ngaPride.
Yeah, mhlawumbe sikhuluma. Mara bewumpithe Beyonce mina. Let I know the name Beyonce ukuthi Kamakuku. That's the thing.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, mina na guy nje.
What's his name?
Prince.
Oh, Prince. Oh, Kamakuku.
Yeah,
Oh,
Kamakuku. Wehlala naleli guy.
Oh,
Wavakasha, yeah.
Oh, okay.
That guy was my first lover.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngumele wasukela mina.
For how long?
3 months.
Oh, sorry for that. Okay.
And then,
So, ukusuka kanjani? Inbox, everything.
yeah.
Hi, hey, who are you? No. Like, I want to know some of the tactics that abanye abantu basebenzisako. Mhlambe ngishela nani njengoba ngishela amantombazane kumbe ukushela njalo njani. Manje awadi wena ukubashela njani.
Hawu ngiyakho mina ngokubashela.
Awukazi shela intombazane wena.
Angikaze ngishele ntombazane.
But you shela another guy. We come into that one.
Yeah.
Okay. So-
angathi
So yena makakusoma, you in very lonely that time.
I was in lonely. Ngaba nalokuthi yangishaya le nto yokuthi mina every time bangani bami bokukhuluma ngebayafana. Mina I'm not angikho la.
Wena awukho.
So
Oh, that's
mina-
when you cheated. That's what you're saying. Which one? Bonga silong. Don't you cheated?
No. Oh.
Kanti
Kanti
lo-
oh ngoba lonely kanti kusho ukuthi
You're not having someone you're
Oh,
dating.
and yeah, I was lonely by that time. Mara ngani kuba lonely into lo.
Okay.
Ngivula wena ukuthi
Ah,
ngeke.
Mm.
Yeah, so guy wang approach
Yeah.
first ngamadi ukuthi mina naye my friend on Facebook.
Oh, okay. Oh, but you knew him.
Yeah, bekahlala vela, you
Oh,
know, my
okay.
stories, my notifications and so on. So this other time wangibingelela and approach me waba like, hello mbo, njani? Ngaba nalokuthi ngikwatela kuphi?
Yeah.
This is but now on Facebook then I start talking and stuff. Okay.
Ngoba uxoxa naye wena ngase aware.
Bengekho aware ukuthi umuntu vele akutext nje yabona ngene.
Oh.
Vele
Busy.
mina
Hey,
phela
this person is just busy. Akaboni ukuthi abantu bamtext. Okay. I'm so happy to be textile wabona.
Mina vele guys.
Hmm.
My message request, do you want to get in my DM?
I don't want.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, wangitshela ukuthi mina naye friends for more than a couple of months.
Yeah.
You know. And mangitsheka vele ngithola ukuthi ba.
Yeah.
friend
Yeah.
and lo muntu ubhekana ukungisho sometimes phela by that time besengijumela ukuthi la good
Okay.
yabo
Yeah.
ngikutala ama-questions lawo so mina mangimrecognize ngibona ukuthi oh kanti that's a friend yami
Yeah.
uchubeka njalo sihamba ngeflow kanye asazi ukuthi sigcina sisi-item
Okay.
naye
Just for 3 months, 8 10.
3 months yeah
Yeah, finally CWP.
yeah
After 3 months, was a new contract.
yebo so after the 3 months leyo after okay process isijola
Yeah.
ngithi diet nje ukuthi ngifila somehow
You.
not me
Yeah.
yeah I think he was a little bit insecure about me
Why?
in terms of ngimdala kimi ngishiya maybe ngasho ukuthi ngishiya ngo 5 because mina vele nje yabo angikhoni
Ukhona?
screw
Oh, ufuna umuntu omdala kunawe kumbe omncane nawe?
and ngifuna umuntu lo matured
Oh, but matured muzingqondo, it's not about
yeah
skills.
that is why
Yeah.
ngithi mina 19 this year
Yeah.
ngihlala 20 lo nyaka
Yeah, yeah.
but mase ngikungqondo yami mase ngibuka everything bese ngidlule kuyo everything lendekile
Yeah.
ngibona
Nangiyirukusa bro.
more
Yeah.
matured
Yeah, ma.
so
experience.
kunamntu into ovana nemntwana 19 nje ngibona ngazuthi okay bakhona labo nabo
Yeah, bakhona.
and bakhona nabo labo ingqondo ezinjani
Yeah.
but
Yeah, yeah.
but ngisengabathuli and angisho ukuthi angibathuli ngiyabatholi
Okay.
but angikho lapho so yeah bekangishiya ngaleyo 5 years
Okay.
5 years leyo and then ngicabanga ukuthi phela insecure ngami bebana nokuthi mina by the time I'm old fashioned you understand because mina vele by the time mina tongithola lapha estradini lapha ekhaya
Uwabili.
ngwabili
Ngibashile.
ngibashile ngishiselanga blind and angeke ngize ngibe ngingenelane angeke ngize ngibe nenzaba
Yeah.
uma utongithanda
That's you, that's you. Yeah.
utongithanda ngwabili ukuthi utongithanda ngwabili
Yeah.
so ngicabanga ukuthi problem beyilapho
Oh.
and then right now machida now ukuthi u-wrong but ngifuna ukuyibeka ngazuthi u-wrong and by that time uzama lento lento ukuthi ngifuna kuphuma le one mistake ukuthi lo muntu
That's you.
aye
Oh
No,
yeah,
that's it.
oh yeah.
and then like wangifonela for ukuthi ucela ukungibona for a meeting
Oh.
and I knew futhi ukuthi lelo langa ngikhaya kubo khona angeke mana ngipide so shuthi khona something
Yeah.
lafuna ngitshela yona oh because angeke ngikwatele the whole fucking week bese soyangipita the next week ngitshela ukuthi I wanna talk to you
Yeah.
mind you ubita mina ngifuna ukuya ekhaya ngiye ekhaya kubo ngoba le meeting lafuna ngitshela yona
Yeah.
ukuthi kahle space
Mayelana nani, yeah.
angitshela ukuthi ya mina I don't think ngithatha khona ngicube na relationship
Why?
kuthi na ngitshela ukuthi mina kunento lengitendako and I don't know ukuthi into lengitendako ngitini because by that time yo hi guy ngiyabona ukuthi ungesabi ne because I don't want to share lots of stuff
Uthe wena open
Yo.
you don't mind. Yeah, so
yo should the night before to shuba kunenomnye lo wangifonela
Ashuba
I'd like you to go in Nasbani.
Oh. Why?
Because of
Uyakufuna.
no bakulatsho wela and stuff.
So ukhuluma imfihlo uthathe.
Tukhuluma no angathi ukuthi by the time babuyelana or njani.
Oh.
But like angikho lapho guys. Nanoma ningayibona le video.
Also yini intombazane leyo kumbe also gay. Oh okay.
fana nami.
Oh okay. Same WhatsApp group.
Yeah, wangitshela ukuthi ya mina ngifuna uhlukane naye because mina naye sajola.
Oh so baqhubeka bajone wena bongase awe.
Oh, mfana ngamdedela mina ngamtshela ukuthi no okay no ukuthi ufuna lokho fine meaning right ufila ngathi angeke uze wakhe something nami ngithanda Gaza.
Yeah.
Tukhulula. And ngamkhulula akuzange kwaphela like 3 months.
After kuzomkhulula.
Oh,
Sekuphetha ngale.
cabanga kuvele kwaphela lenye i3 months ngathola lomunye and loyo mina nengisajola
Oh, okay, shout out to that person. 4 years. 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Naye lo sihlukene mara
Angiyahlukani kahle.
kahlukani kahle.
Nokuhlukana kahle. Oh, okay. So ngifuna ukunderstandise la. La lelo na basi ne top ne bottom ngicela usibalansise.
Kune top ne bottom ne verse. Mina ngikwati kwa
Okay, yeah, you acknowledge.
mina i-top
Yeah.
top nayo ngiyastressa i-top njani because ngiba nema-doubts nge-top nyana.
Yeah.
Lathi kune-top leyo ukuthi imjitha just that ukuthi u-obsessed nemagame bekutshwa nemagame
But imjida lo straight.
straight mara i-top nendlela ukufera like magame ujola nemagame and then bese kune-bottom i-bottom
Yeah.
bottom vele straight ukuthi vele asifuni okuningi
Yeah. Nomjida.
sinamjitha.
But niyakhetha ukuthi nifuna umjida lo ufana nani kumjida lo straight.
Mina sham okay mina ngifuna ukukhulumela mina like
Yes, yourself.
angifuna ukukhulumela abanye abantu.
Yeah.
Mina ngifuna umjitha. Mina ngithanda ama-after 9 nama-bisexual.
Ngiyeva mse.
Mara it depends ukuthi ma-after 9 anjani.
Yeah.
Angeke ngisukele nje ngijone after 9. Depende ukuthi after 9 injani.
After 9 ngiyo almost the top.
Yes, after 9 ngirele top.
Yimi ni straight umkhathi kwabantu. Ngazithi imbathi
No,
ngiyaqala.
ngo-12 minutes ngibona une-chief.
Yeah.
Like ube uyikhapha vele nayo. Uyakudla.
Yeah. Big.
Mara ngabo kora 2, ngabo 9.
Yeah.
Ngapha-
Why you only like those people?
Because okay,
Because those
So
people
far.
sorry, because those people angeke uflonte naye uhambe naye around impostane no because ngani akadibhetanga ina straight.
sometimes it's not even like about talk like host and
Yeah.
because
Because you guys like posting when you're a content creator yourself.
I mean, I am a content creator, but
Aren't you liking a person who's dating naye ni content YouTube?
sengafiki lapho.
Oh.
Ngisaya lapho.
Ah.
Ngisaya lapho ukuthi lo munye umuntu akuthi ukuthi sizosabana namuntu ukuthi le content like content creator nami content creator.
Yeah.
Safune like ukuthi le
Okay.
lapho so you choose to be right.
Yeah.
Because mina ngizindala ukuthi wena uyangi-understandisa.
Yeah.
Angitshela ukuthi mfo mina ngiso
Yeah.
ngiyafuna come out but like I don't know how.
Oh.
And it's not that I'm seeing someone or maybe ngiyajola. Mara vele bofana bohlezi bafana kuze bafana. Kanoma basipitlela ukuthi kunekalani mara nje.
Yeah, right. Okay, or you love okay. Say let's string whatever you English string. Then bottom, top,
Never.
what's a verse? Sinazadi verse that's a Bible.
Invest into things nje. Unika.
As ni tool manje. Now yambamula na yabamula. Oh. So imagine describe kanjani mbona nje lo.
Mina I can tell Shem ukuthi age la ngathini kuvesinyana because even nanoma kufika mjitha athi uyang-approach ngayo. Into ngibona ukuthi lo wayanginama-vibes ngathi lo
Yeah. Yeah.
because ngibona ukuthi yilona no angeke
Yeah.
even like nanoma siya lapho ukuthi uyalini lelo tukembabuli sekondari embambusisi tova ukuthi no like khona nje le-extra
Yeah.
akusiyo ngicabanga ukuthi yeah like umuntu lowatiko ubona lokho uyeva usa ilona yalona right.
Yeah.
Akaperformi the way the guy or ufana lo-tom or bisexual.
Those guys are kana age.
Besides energy nawe uyabona ukuthi umlana yena sofuna izinto lengadini like nje like ufuna sichaye speaking ngaloko ngikhumbula endumbeni
Ufuna nini lo muntu?
like inika mina ngikhumbula la
Oh.
ngeganya manje
Yeah.
hlale ngimbona ngikhule naye vele
Yeah.
So guy like wafanele ukuthi angathi ufika drunk enough usakhona ukuthi approach the things kanjani I think specific so ngatithola nje yabona sengihleli emotweni having drinks
Kawone moto lakani.
yeah yonke into lengishoda ngayo like ikhona and like
Me too.
it's so too what's guy and how about like ngoba vele like right now usufela sala into it
Oh.
ngithi mina
Don't know what
angikho
you're-
aware lo bese ngicela ukuthi ngiyakhomba ukuthi sabona ngithi ngeke kunakana nabantu abasirious ukunaka wena unjani awunginiki noma hints sena hayi bengicaba ukuthi uyabona manje ngoba ngibibreak enough manje ngiyakutshela umuntu ukuthi ngitsake ukuthi hayi khululeke
Wena sayina.
vele vele namuhla
Godons. No. Awubi godons phela ishisa lesifuba.
Yabo.
Bese ishisa kwabo awubona sibili.
ayintshela mina no mina ngisadle nabangani bami sanaza tshwala buhlungu
Yeah.
ngisengafuna ukuhamba simafuna kuhamba ngomtshela ngihleli ngokumela la muntu ngihlala ngintwana kuthi usirious cabanga ngithi sharp mangifika ekhaya vele ngiyachaza abangani ngizabe so angathi sengiva ini sengivela back emotweni ngiyatshela ukuthi no masifike endlini
Kuye.
at his place
Laba
ngibonile ukuthi oh my
laba
gosh
kufanele abafana bemaphola.
lo mfana lo nyamadi and mfana polo vele lo mfana lo nyamadi ngikhule naye sibaba sonke angiyide naloko lokuthi angicabangi mina namuhla utomtshela ukuthi nje sona
So vele ukhipha ama true colors.
hayibo sifike endlini kube ngiloko hayi mina top ngathi uzokwenza bisexual
Yes.
and naye bisexual kimi ufuna ki-top
Yeah.
bottom
Yeah.
angithathe mfana macede angikuthi ukuthi njalo ngithi mina yangi-right wena athi mina ngiku-right
Oh.
ngithi ushoda ngani athi nami ngicela umthobo sana ngeva ngathi mhlaba angavele yatini ngathi ngingabuyela emuva athi nedaka ngitshela ngithi vele angihambi umhlaba ngami
Stop.
yeah
Ajabula over.
yeah
No wamngena.
angizange
Ah.
ngamsho ukuthi wena kanani why umcele lokhu
Manje ujabuliswa yini manje?
no phela angijabulisa kulokuthini sengisho ukuthi umhlaba makavuleka ngene lokuthi wayangicela into lesona
Into yongeke khona kumele
like mina ngiyibhothomba like into lesona mina ngiyathi angikwathi nilokhu
awukaze vele awukaze vele akaze guys sekwentekalani manje
kudela kwena ngimtsho ukuthi nje
lazani ngithole bathi cucumber
no cucumber yani kodwa dibona nokuthi phela ayene mina bese right
nalana
azange silale sivelelani sengidisappointed sizangikhabe ngibele bhede njalo
so futhi bangaze guys
lapho ke angizange ngabacocela ngasekuseni ngisoba ngithi bangani angenzithemba bathi yini ngiyala nto zibhaki kumele kusasa masisodla lamela amaminyu akhona ngixoxele ukuthi sibani lapho sengiyam-expose sengiyasho ukuthi sengibani sengiyabatshela lama-friends because I'm not that type of person because I'm not that type of person lokuthi
to hide
no kuhida ngiyahida and netinto ungafuneki like
ukukhuluma
Susan
other people yeah
even your friend
yes I know that
because nebangani laba straight mantombazane but
Yes.
abekho willing to understand
yeah
kunethi nje bangatati bona batotitshela ukuthi basithanda kana basithanda
yeah that's true
leti ngoba vele like ba-enjoyele ikhampani yethu and nevibe yethu mara into leti deep kuthi leti atishela noma ngibani
yeah
babayi-few
yeah that's true yo bosana inyoni disappointer mphawu wabadini
wena
so after lapho if nibonana na that guy kwentekalani
good
anzange niphinde sikhulumisane nothing
ngamblock same time ngisuka kwele ukuthi uchaza umshayeli lona uzongitshela kanti ngaze ngathi angehli
awehla bentubeni
yosona lapha endumeni angifiki ngithi angehli
enzaphi
sengifuna nale mali othi uhamba ngayo kusasa uthi ufake ipetrol
sekunakubhadale
lo 500 loyo
wathi ukubhadala vele
no akazange ngibhadala ngoba mina sengibane nokuthi ngomtshela kahle yongithatha endlini yongithatha la endlini ayingise kubo angitshele into lesona Mara it's not like ukuthi suke endlini sanatha and stuff because mina phela ngisuke
Umhlabile.
ngihlabe strong lokhu songimoshela tjala le ngathi sengifuna nale mali petrol lokhu sasa uyahamba nale
Kone
mali
petrol kunamba imoto yakho kunamba imoto yakhe.
imoto yakhe angina kafuna expose
What-
ngifuna le mali
Wayikhipha.
yeah
Yo.
Pendo mina ngathenga kudla ngathenga amabhiya kwabango and bengayifuni imali yakhe manje nethi sengene ukuthi angifuni lokhu expose
Man laba badonsa ama
wes wena ungena phela yathi ngathi ukuthi angeke umuntu akutshele like ngathi ngaba soba and then umuntu oshadile letitshela ukuthi na vele umuntu otitshela ukuthi alo iphinde umuntu wakhe
Oh, ushadile that person.
no sengisho ukuthi kunemuntu yabona the way yena ngakhona
Yeah.
la ngaphandle sekunjalo ukuthi umuntu oshadile unebantwana
Mm.
ushap nemndeni nemfati kanti naye bamthoba
Oh,
mm
yakmateam.
Nedi ngoba thina ngani sikwathi kom
Nehlangana nato leti gigaba, ne?
mina nangisatisfied as long as mina ungisatisfied ngeke kahle ukuthi mina manje ngithi mina life the queen ngiyeda ngifuna amount imali so ngifuna kutsama
Exa nebantu labathi baniketa ama allowance. Lamajida la straight.
yeah
But
Siyakhala kahle nje
but aren't you thinking, because I once talked to someone, Makosong. Once talked to Makosong and she told me something would see nalamayena ngathi abathwele and ngathi according to them.
umuntu lothole uyambona
You are aware of something like that?
umuntu lothole uyambona that is why kude lokuningi
Umbona ngani?
cela le mali because angeke mina one thing about mina ngihamba nabogogo
No, bro, bro. Check the house.
bogogo bayangitshela angeke ngimane like ngifile somehow some way ngithi nethi first time ngibonana nawe uyangishela ngiveletile frontal thing ngiva ngathi iyaphakama
Yeah.
or ngiva ngathi umphefumulo wami uyasuka la ngesikhumba sami or nje ngiva ngathi sekukhona lokukhona lekungahambi kahle sengicala ngiyagula
Manje so bese wena njani lapho uyabaleka?
angibaleki mara angeke ngize ngibone lento engiyifunayo but instead ngifisa lena uyogcina ungayitholi lento engiyifunayo mara mina ngifuna
But did you ever uthole kule situation ukuthi bungase aware ukuthi umuntu ngathi uyangiza? So, did you ever find yourself into a situation ukuthi this guy akazange abone ukuthi and nahamba lethi? Nango sana vamabhiya ni. Ngena la Black Queen ngithola ngihleli. Yabo? Siyaphuza mase ngicala ukubona ngama blue lights sengibona something else. Hayi nana badali busy hapa.
mina ngicabanga nanokuthi ngize ngithi kuze ngithi lo muntu bayangiva nanoma ngikhuluma at all
Phela ngiyabona mase bese phakathi ama-lighting.
ayo
Did you ever experience something like that?
only to find out ukuthi okay naka-find out akazange angireactile somewhere
Yeah.
somehow wavele nedwaba life lokuthi okay nyena ngicala like slow it down because abantu abaningi like sebabonile
On the spot?
yeah
Oh, but that's mhlambe ngisenze.
sebabonile lokuthi setting impilo yakhona le-standing the kisses and the high lokuthi kumele slow it down
Ngize kunanzima.
akusho ukuthi nginenkinga nawe yebo mara ngicela lokhu slow it down because mina ngangiyakunika space futhi jabo kunankinga approve
Decide your way.
ekhathi so we are back ngithi awu no
Zibona.
akusiyo lokhu ngifuna wena ngithi manje ngifuna kweneke njani
Siyahamba kule njani?
and mina ngikhohlwa shaya umuntu usho ukuthi ngihamba nembani isho le
Ohamba ngumfana wePaul msi.
ngihamba naye because like bemkhulu angeke as much as I said ukuthi umuntu engimatile ukuthi kwanami ukwambona ukuthi umuntu
Umkhalakhaleni.
yebo kuphelekeisho
Stokla kopha.
yo olithi bana ukuthi angisaphoint ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyizizini
Polo guy. What disappointing for. So, say manje that guy sokabuya back kuwe. Zero straight. So provile usikunanihamba wona uyasqueal.
wena
This was so busy ngore badala ibhili.
uyadlala ngosibona la
Ayi.
on Saturday
Yakha.
on Saturday
Azali.
on Saturday
Aziboni.
Saturday
Yeah.
when the game was there so I'm seeing this guy ne lo guy lo wase down.
Okay, I'm a downtown.
Kylo, what if the Queen ngam because the event is nice. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, the host of the event is
I was hosting at the Queen of the events now.
Oh, they event is the lady nine. Oh, lady call.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday. Saturday, yeah. Saturday. Okay. What if the Queen is before the event? When the event set up, pregnant time. We must look at their leave.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the last week, last week.
Last week.
Yeah, somewhere
last week.
Yeah.
Somewhere they look at their.
Yeah.
So decided to tell them the Queen. And kawangan mundu utana pati. Utana tu banana right. 3 yon. Mkumbula ngimita that day photography she was in labor. That day she was in labor.
Yeah.
And then we met lapha eMcDonald's lapha eVini. Kwabang logo wanginika konke kwami iphasela lami ukuthi lokhu kwadu.
Are you selling?
I'm not selling. Mina ngithengisa izinto ngoba la ngidleka khona vele ngiyazatha. Imali yangizatha kahle kahle.
Oh, okay.
I'm not selling. Sengakuthengisela lapha eVini mara.
No, ngiyabuda so lipasela ngomanyana so.
Ngiyathanda mina nokuthi
So uthi lena yani ngoba
leo
ngasele imali
ngifuna kuphuma ukuthi outfit. Then utona batshwala. But because of me, like I needed to satisfy.
Bongalin play plus.
The way we went out there.
So why are you saying you're not satisfied?
Because it's me, the same thing. We
Can't get enough.
so my daughter I feel it's into sanga konke nje yabo.
For some of the moments, download and indulge in the tracks you love over and over again.
That's the Queen Mawood one, the 5 plus.
I felt like ngingalenye i300 or lenye 400 like you. Thank the corner like uchubetela because nangathiwa second location.
Yeah.
Nangingayale kakhulu la ngibera.
Kahle.
Jita. Ngimcela imali kanti ngimfaka hayi.
The same day because of woman.
Same day because ngeke ngiphe imali. Le mali so ngibhadalile bosibani ngibhadalile izinto zami ukuthi kashe ngibhadalile izinto zami so and yero ngisebenzisa mali and ayibutha ngiyamkhomba ngiyam-update ngakho konke ukuthi uphenyelo ngenze into so abone ukuthi and then ngibe like into bekhona njalo akusathi njani
Very much.
Card lagi kahle ngiyangani sebenzisa
Or join account.
normal so mana nginika cash akakhona ukuthi
Oh.
unless uthola umuntu fine asikho lapho lo chair
Umfati wakhe.
that nakangena ngize ngibona ukuthi ukuthi amshayeli logate
Uthi kuwe
no bekala at the Queen
lo mfati wakhe.
naye
Boy two.
And kwenzeka lokho lokuthi ngicela kumkhombela lama video and seyidlulile ibhede ngani yena beyangisema ukuthi okay ngiya at the Queen so funa bangiphrove lokuthi at the Queen go ngiyamkhomba ngithi mina ayithiwa mina bengisethi the Queen le mali ngiyayidwa yona
So tell mfati wakhe some other week.
la lesasele lesiya kuyo uthi bad ulogeni
Tshele Marike.
no I'm Jade
Mara awe utholutela.
akekho awena akati asikakhulumi mina ngitshela
Yena seyivala vele seyirepa very fast.
ukuthi mina asikakhulumi
Yeah.
ngizothi ukuba namhlanje nakabuya
Yeah.
Sunday ngibize Sunday ukuthi Sunday sharp
Yeah.
Saturday bye lokho nakangena uzo ayo ukuthi umuntu lesicedisana njani ngithi ngisabuka lokho ngisathena bangani ukuthi sengiyaxoxa and everything bona bye nje noma lo yami lo yakhe
Yeah.
makathi khai nevele shengiyacanga ubona umuntu I'm sure la khona khona ukuthi
Ungakhulu.
Sekuthenga ama-isopads
Sengela pay.
ngingatha isavana manje.
Ini mfati wakhe leya kumbe i-girlfriend?
But like, but that is another problem.
Oh,
And
yeah,
that is
mad
like,
father. So, but ngisho fonini wakhomba isithombe, ngisho ukhomba isithombe ukuthi mhlambe so neqiniso so lesithombe lesiya umuntu yakhe. Oh, just mfati wami lo.
Yeah.
Okay. Akusuka.
Kuze lokwenzakalile cabanga.
Ngagcina i-location.
Sengizama kusho ukuthi mageyani ubhizi.
Oh.
Kulimagelo ukuthi ayovela cha umuntu wami ngiyamyela.
Yeah.
But meanwhile I understand. Into lekhona ukuthi angimuntu akuchazela ukuthi
Yeah.
kahle khona my intentions are
Akho
so.
Oh, yeah.
And uwilling yini ukuthi uhlele empilweni yami kuze kube njani and willing ukuthi ngi-understandise and now willing ukuthi ufunde yini.
Yeah. Sesivala in short kunceda bafowethu laba lapha emakhoneni lapha because ngiyabona singagubha kakhulu la lokuvumbuka ama-file la ukuthi labo bhuti laba la ilikazi laba labo bathi ngibonomdzala mase bani-inboxela lapha sebani
And realikazi akuthini ngicela kusho ngithi nje wani la elikazi ngikhomele kubopinari la
Yeah.
elikazi i-rate yabo 85%
ubhutweni
ubhutweni
ukele njani
laba la phela lekushuwishi lapho umkhakha
laba after 9
yebo 85%
guys that's 85%
ngiyakutshela
after 9
la elikazi
La
Pinari
elikazi.
West
Pinari West
95
ne
Pinari West 95
did you ever been to a threesome nyana Abay masiva.
ufuna siyibhale
No.
angizange ngikhona
Why?
and beku-worse cause ashiyat lo okay ithi sami mina ngideliver ekuseni like funeka ngathi kungaba
With a woman also.
no it depends ithi sami ngathi sinayenda siku-10
Oh.
ukuthi girl uyangathi nami ngiyamathi mina naye nesijona nemjida loyi-one
Yeah.
and so it's
But ukilwa kwenda lokho.
yeah ngila ngaboyenda but like angikase ngifike lapha angikase ngikhone angizange ngikhone ngoba nanokuthi ish mina angikhoni
Share.
like ngicela uqale ngaye kuqala and bese ugcina ngami uqala ngawe ugcina ngami
Why when you give
because mina ngimfuna i-1 ngifuna i-1
Yeah.
and lokho kwendeka kule leyo yami
Oh.
after lokho
Nyanisa ne?
yo angiyisa njani umfana njani cabanga nje imagine ufike ngimtshela ukuthi uyahamba uthole tender eDurban or
Oh, business matata premier. Guys, pizza.
and
Siyakhala
uyangihambela nemacabanga ukuthi ufind out ukuthi unemuntu la ehlala khona
Oh, ushaya na ile.
mina ngathi usefunza
Oh.
walahlekelwa ngibonke wathi solahleka thengisa imoto yakhe because of like my financial and then makabuya mina sefuna ngitry by all means ukuthi okay phela lo muntu obheka ngempela so nami kufanele something
Uhulumeni le manje.
ngisilima phela angene ngahlala phela ngahlali phela guys nami bengikulima but ngithanda phela something else
So
lo
you-
ukuthi sefuna ngithenga cosmetics ngikhumbule ukuthi okay
Nabe.
nabe kuyashort
Sure.
because bengingakasadle some cent la
Oh.
so
So give
mina
a back now.
kungadi kwami because bengifuna every day esikoleni
Sure.
kanti unemuntu makuhamba iminyaka nawo
I found out.
ngafind out ukuthi phela lo muntu lo unginga ukuthi usesikoleni kanti khona lebe kade singakuthi anemuntu and ubuya so mina ngathi ukuthi ubuya esikoleni ngani so where's the car the clothes lapho uhlala khona what happened lapho uhlala
tender.
khona the tender kwendekeni kanti lokho ukufundela and so the whole 2 years
Look. Nihamba niyakubona nina Shem. What's the worst part you ever experienced?
worst part I've ever experienced yo la ukuthi awusafili unwanted khona. You are unwanted and like uyabona nawe ukuthi awufuni.
So you're first there.
It's like the first day. Kufanele nokuthi why? Is it because mina ngisaw? Umuntu okushutha somehow lokuthi vele akakufuni ukubona lokuthi ukhona la. Ngathi piece of shit njani. Umuntu okutshela ukuthi yabona nje lokuthi umuntu ovele yalini like you guys ngibona ngabantu bengiyazi nabantu abancane ngaphandle.
Ne. Sesivala si-wrap up isikhathi sihamba sihambile abantu aba-closet upcoming gays and basaba iveta basaba ifamily basaba i-society everything like that mathini
Calang ngalama upcoming gay abasaba come out but bafuna.
yes
Understand? So lento lena is so to imagine like uyi-one
yeah
and kude umuntu lonawe
yeah
kude umuntu futhi lotodependa kuwe
nguwe nawe
la empilweni.
yeah
Imagine ngathi kumbe bekunganamuntu lo existayo and ufuna uphile wena la emhlabeni.
yeah yes
Kude into yena ukuthi utshintshe ukuthi ngubani. And when if you feel like mawuvuka ekuseni every day ubona ukuthi oh my gosh ngokama out kanjani.
yeah
Akhona amagela ngaphandle. There are a lot of gays laba open laba willing ukuthi bakusize.
yeah
And when if you have like confidence le kanaka
yeah
so much confidence, if not confidence it's not even like hard.
yeah guys you need confidence
I go hard more confidence
and ngathi kunenhlanhla nini than us guys sometimes
nje
kind of
khona kukhona vele
because ngathi niyayifuna lento advance
kukhona bata ihlahla vele
Ne.
ngibana nami kama ngimpo lisho gift.
yes
So inhlanhla ngikona vele netinhlanhla vele day and day.
yeah no ngiyabona
So nima after 9 bakucloset mina after 9 angasadi nje.
osathi ngimafter
Lapho umuntu uyakwati ngikhabo igama lakhe mara uyongisendela nge-account yabulelani lapho ayinalutho ayikho busy nje ngithabo mina ngimathi angithabo lokuthi nyamati sithi olathabo azishona
ola tibos
asiyena moja mfezika namhla kubizingani ngithi umuntu oshaya izolo ngokuthi ufuna kushaya izolo umuntu uthatha tshwala nokuthi ufuna tshwala nokuthi ufuna one bek uthengele ayamsekusangane yabulelani athi ngabulelani umkhathwa uthi kana nongibani uthena ish mina ngiyasaba ukuthi beta ngicela ukuthi ungibone like ngicela ukuthi ungibone uthi mina ish athini ngenze kwena lokho athena how ufuna ini because ngivele imali ngiyithanda azifuna ini ngifuna imali azimali yani imali lothola uma ufika la ufanele phela mawunguza wona hlule yeki ubone ngikhiphithe imali in
5
lokuthi sengiyombona
500
hayi na 500 100 rand 50 rand ngikhala ngayo ukuthi ngifuna kuthenga idatha ngifuna kuthenga sekuba ngikhala uthi okay ngibona lo 5 thaka lo 100 rand uyifakile ukuthi ngithi chips ngithi airtime ngithi comment ukubona ngithi client ngithi bo awuthi kwendeke ushaya umhlaba ngibora till the west ukuthi why uthi nge-account yakho le ngikule
so uthime so uchaza ukuthi la
and now ma-message request ishe mina angwathi mina vele angwa-accept ma-message request awutati neligama nje aba-blank ma-accounts ungasebenzi
so
account.
what makes lamajita kahle kahle abe ngiloku abawanile ubusuku ngocabanga
Eshi mina angazi ngicabanga ukuthi naleyo ukuthi le nje ukuthi vele ama-games nani bantu ukuthi babe naleyo kuyakona ukuba nalento ukuthi babagcugcutela labo bakwende vele ebusuku because there's no way.
wamajita phela ngivile la njengalekazi vele basibabhaya
Like I said, after 9 lengwatholako angiphatha kahle
Sure.
kutongifonela thena awufuni isiphume cabanga awufuni isiphume today ngithi mina ngiyafuna but like into nebangani bami athi nami into nebangani bami but angeke sihlele soyi-2 ngithi njalo
So just when uthole transport yakho nebangani bakho naye uhambe nge-transport yakhe
sogcina sobe soyi-2 sogcina sesisoyi-2 ugcine ngokobonke kuyosho ebangani bakhe abangani bami soyi-2
banika ama-plane
mangifika athi okay ngiyakubona ukuthi lebangani bakho labayi-2 funa kungasalina ngisho hayi funa basazane samakhosana ahambe ayikhansa ayithenga afike athenge abushiye ngisathi nginawo
banika lama-plane labantu lama-plane ahlanyisa
right no plane no
So tell me, ngathi ayibalekile lo. Infections.
akhona nekugula possibility ukugula emaningi so angifuni uku-advise abantwana abancane ukuthi bajwayele ku-have a plane when it comes to malnutrition.
Basi angaduka amantombazane angaduka amajida ngabe ngikhuluma ngoza ngiyakhe.
No, duka amajida.
Ngivumela ukuthi umjida nemjida ngani. Queen makeni. Nganzima ukuthi uma nginentombazane lethi iyangilimata manje mina ngisini.
Iyangilibala nami.
Iyangilimata condom.
Nayilimata.
Manje lo ukhuluma ukuthi le condom iyangilimata.
Oh.
Makafuna umdzabule ngeplane.
Thina vele ngizosingajoy.
Ethi umuntu uphethe lo myelibhakabhaka ngala ngifake nelona futhi kuyente kanjani? Lubricant.
Lubricant now.
Guys,
And there are many ways ukuthi nje vele nayo baba ayivuli ibe right drive.
ngikhuluma na someone it was 3 weeks back sixoxa ngithi mina yathi I think kuba after 9 kulula cause bathi kucala la kulabo sesi ngine girlfriend sengifuna sim 2 lo girlfriend kusikulula mase nathi bona badala ukuthi lona
And I mean that is why ngihlala ngi-advise like my ladies kakhulu ukuthi if umuntu wakho atokufuna sim 2 mababy relaxa ufuna lo sim 2 it's because like uyafuna no phela nami ngizigaya
experience
like uyafuna naloyo for sure angaze mention indaba lenjalo usho ukuthi kwanayo sengathi kuthole umthuko
kahle kahle
because angeke afune into
ne
le lo munye utobana lokuthi akuvulela sipini ngiyifuna kuyizama le but angifuni ukuze ngiyile
kahle ngicela la
ngithole sivele baze bangikhulume nabo to find out ngifuna like ngicela ukuthi if ukuthi wena uyafuna and I know intombatane in advise ukuthi umlalele and then bese ubuya kithi utositshela ucela ama-advice bese sibuya kuwo
so advise uthini umuntu njani
ngivumele
okay se uyangivumela baby se baby mina naye siyahlukana along the way sebese lo ngimthola kunyala kayivumi ukuyivuma lento sengiyenda njani
obvious
sengidala
khona thina vele
yabona ukuthi that's why it's so easy like that
thina sikhona vele sha
yabona that's why it's so easy ukuthi ma
and nale ngeke ukuthi mina angiyadi ngoba ngicala kuyena ngawe too much like
angiyathi njani
lokuthi mina angikase
ngene kusimthu
ngene simthuko
tshela i-girlfriend lapho
no ngitshela mina labafana laba yeah mina ngikasimele negame ngoba ngicala ngayo no mama
ngifike njani kokucala lapho
mama khoza ngibona ngisukela
angizami ukusukela
ngeke usuke njani
yeah
mina ngitshela ukuthi mina nginemngani I have a friend of mine nomngani osajona ngifana loyiwaya and ukuthi mina naye sibe right sahlala phasi ungani uya-understand
nalo mngani
yes she's a supportive friend all-right usharp cool comfortable ngabo bonke
uzindeyithela umuntu oyi-one
no stayithana naye only to find out ukuthi mina ngimchazela because of iboy le boyfriend naye bese ngitshela ngithi wena phela angeke phela usaba so phela angeke ngikuthole phela funa utshele
yeah
so cause angeke ngitshele
yeah
angeke ngitshele and amantombazane abaningi abanalokuthi amagay athathelana amadoda okay kona ngiyabhiliva kukhona lokho but sinani bantu abafani kodwa umuntu ovela asukele nje ngathi kahle ukuthi umuntu wakho sengiyakuphaphela wona sema umuntu wakho mara umngani wami mara mina ngeke ngihlotana nomngani wami it's just that because we're close immediately masiba close mangifind out ukuthi okay fine ujoyina lo guy lo night naye lo understand even a guy naye le indaba like usayiprocessa nale girlfriend nje uyiphathisa zakwa awuzwisisi akayincini ngamtshela ngathi no ufuna umtshele wathi ngeke ngimtshele mina ngithola umtshele ngathi oh so
sihamba no-line
sisona nomngane wami so
namanje
namanje
namlahla
angeke ngimlahle ngoba
ngisho lo namlahla
ukhona samlahla sobakiwe saphinda sabagona sobakiwe sojola umuntu ake
siyayivala
ibali
ngathi siyofuna part 2
nje
yofuna part 2 kusazoba late no siyayivala. What can we expect from you lo mnyaka
ngicela sibusiso letinitshe guys ngicela kukhuphuka kancane empilweni ngimfollow phela kakhulu like on social.
You never say your name in social. Oh, you're using them post straight.
Po M Mukwena on TikTok. Po M Mukwena. But like send this cousin in TikTok.
Why? So pisnga ngakhulu nya Instagram.
Instagram na.
Shamatat.
No, besides that, mina phela ngifuna ukufuna ama donation.
Ama donations one. Ama dai.
Because ngene nani. You know.
Ne.
La phela nafuna ngifuna upgrade this size la.
Hayi, ngiyabona sayidasa.
I'm upgrading Samsung 70 Samsung.
iPhone. Yabo. Ngiyabona. No
Mara
what.
nje ngachashi.
No, sikho rasha la silikazi.
Yes.
No sayivala guys. Iple Queen bavulile namhlanje mandi. Danko.